Hello guys, good afternoon, good morning to all of you. So this is today my fresh stir-fried Filipino vegetables, and they have a side dish with rice guys, so it's just finished. So this is the side, and they got a mushroom, broccoli, ginger, red onion, cabbage. They have some carrots on it, and they have some bell pepper, and the sides is rice. So you get this guys, this entree is $14.99. So I just made this today. Look at that guys, it's so delicious and good, made with a oyster sauce on it, and a little nor seasoning. Look at that guys, with black pepper and garlic, and come and see So Good restaurant.